What's up, everybody? Remington from Impulse Creative. And today we're going to talk about how to unenroll someone from a drift email sequence. So there's a variety of reasons you may want to do this. And one of the things is that you might have had a phone conversation or something that's not connected online that would allow for you to know whether someone should be unenrolled or not. Another reason is that you have a competitor in your subscription flow and you want to make it so that they don't get all of the emails. Right? So what you can do is you can unenroll people at a contact by contact basis. And I'm going to show you how to do that right here. But first, what you see on the screen right now is this is an example of an outbound email sequence. And I've got another video here on how to set one up. But when you go over to your individual contact that you know is enrolled in said sequence, you're going to see a couple different things. You're going to see this option to enroll someone in a sequence, but then right underneath, and this would only show if they are enrolled in the sequence and the sequence has not been completed, is you'll have this button to unenroll from whatever the sequence name is. Upon clicking that, it is going to just identify and say that you have unenrolled the user from the sequences, and that makes it so that they no longer will get the automatic emails. Now, this is not unsubscribing a user so that they can't get any emails in the future. This is simply just removing them from the automation. So if you have any other questions about drift or conversational marketing, go ahead and hit me up on Twitter at RemingtonBeg. If you'd like to see some other tutorials we've done, you can go ahead and you can do that right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our daily tutorial videos, you can go ahead and you can do that right here. I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Have a great day.